Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Wealth Tracker for financial independence. A Dividend Wealth Tracker helps investors measure how their portfolio is growing, how much income it is producing, and how close they are to reaching financial independence. Instead of focusing only on share prices, this approach tracks income, dividend growth, portfolio safety, reinvestment, and progress toward a long-term financial freedom goal. First, set your financial independence goal. Define the amount of annual dividend income you want your portfolio to generate. Then, estimate your expected yearly living expenses and decide how much of those expenses should be covered by dividend income. At the same time, choose a realistic financial independence timeline and calculate the gap between your current income and your target income. This creates a clear destination for your investment plan. Next, track the total value of your portfolio. Record your invested capital, current market value, contribution history, and portfolio allocation. Monitoring these figures helps you understand how much money you have invested, how the market has affected your holdings, and whether your portfolio is properly diversified. Regular contributions should also be recorded because they play an important role in building future dividend income. After that, monitor your dividend income. Track the amount received each month, quarter, and year. You should also record how much income each stock, fund, or investment contributes to the portfolio. This makes it easier to identify your strongest income-producing holdings and discover whether too much income depends on only one company or sector. Then, measure dividend yield and dividend growth. Dividend yield shows how much annual income an investment produces compared with its current price. Yield on cost compares the current annual dividend income with your original purchase cost. In addition, the dividend growth rate shows how quickly the income is increasing over time. Tracking the income trend helps determine whether your portfolio is moving toward your financial independence target. However, income growth should not be measured without checking safety. Review the payout ratio to understand how much of a company's earnings or cash flow is being distributed as dividends. Also, examine cash flow strength, debt levels, and the consistency of previous dividend payments. A sustainable dividend supported by a strong business is generally more valuable than an unusually high yield that may later be reduced. Next, track dividend reinvestment. If you use a dividend reinvestment plan, record how much dividend income is used to purchase additional shares. Monitor the number of shares accumulated and the increase in future income created by those additional shares. Over time, reinvesting dividends may strengthen the compounding effect because more shares can generate more dividends, which may then purchase even more shares. Afterward, review your progress toward financial independence. One useful formula is to divide your current annual dividend income by your target annual financial independence income and multiply the result by 100. For example, if your portfolio generates 75% of your target income, you are 75% of the way toward your dividend income goal. In addition, monitor your income coverage ratio, percentage of the goal completed, estimated years remaining, and important milestones. Milestones may include reaching the first $1,000 of annual dividend income, covering a specific monthly expense, or achieving 25, 50, 75, and 100% of your target. Finally, optimize and rebalance the portfolio. Review weak positions that are no longer supporting your strategy and consider adding higher quality holdings when appropriate. Reduce excessive concentration in one company, sector, or industry. Rebalancing should be completed carefully because frequent trading may create taxes, fees, and unnecessary portfolio disruption. A yearly review is often enough for many long-term investors unless major changes occur. Throughout the process, focus on key measurements such as annual dividend income, dividend yield, yield on cost, dividend growth rate, payout ratio, portfolio value, and income coverage ratio. Together, these measurements provide a clearer picture of portfolio performance than any single figure alone. At the same time, avoid common mistakes such as chasing only the highest dividend yield, ignoring payout ratios, failing to track progress, holding a poorly diversified portfolio, trading too frequently, or investing without a reinvestment plan. A high yield does not automatically mean a high-quality investment, and a portfolio without proper tracking can easily move away from its original goal. By using a dividend wealth tracker, investors can gain greater clarity about their current position, make better portfolio decisions, improve the compounding process, and remain focused on long-term financial independence. However, dividend income and financial independence results vary depending on market conditions, investment decisions, taxes, fees, and personal circumstances. This information is provided for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.